How do AI researchers optimize prompts with iterative refinement? Imagine trying to teach a robot to do a task perfectly on the first try. It rarely works that way. Instead, researchers use a process called iterative refinement to get better results over time. This method is key in advanced artificial intelligence coding, practices, and prompt engineering for code. It involves testing, reviewing, and adjusting prompts repeatedly until the AI produces responses that meet specific goals like accuracy, clarity, and relevance. The first step is to create an initial prompt. It can be simple or rough, just enough to generate an AI response. Then, researchers carefully analyze the output for issues. They look for vagueness, missing details, or responses that don't match what they want. This review helps identify what needs to be improved. Next, they make adjustments to the prompt. These changes can be small, like rephrasing a sentence, or larger, such as adding constraints or restructuring the prompt. Usually, only one major change is made at a time. This way, it's easier to see how each tweak affects the AI's response. The cycle then repeats. The prompt is tested again, the output reviewed, and further refinements are made. This process continues until the responses align with the desired goals. For example, if the AI's answer is too vague, the prompt can be made more specific. If it's too long, instructions can be adjusted to shorten responses. This approach offers many benefits. It improves the accuracy of responses by clarifying instructions. It also helps manage complex tasks by breaking them into smaller, more manageable parts. Consistency is another advantage, as refined prompts work well across similar tasks or changing project needs. Plus, it saves time because issues are caught early, reducing repeated mistakes. A more advanced technique is self-refined prompting. Here, the AI model itself gives feedback on its own output and then uses that feedback to improve. It's like an automatic editing process that mimics human review. This can be especially useful for coding, where the AI can optimize its own code or explanations through this cycle. In practice, keeping a record of different prompt versions and their outputs helps track what works best. Setting clear goals for each iteration, like limiting response length or focusing on specific details, makes refinement more effective. Balancing specificity and flexibility is important to avoid overdoing it. Techniques like chain-of-thought prompting, which breaks down complex problems into smaller steps, can also be refined step by step. Mastering iterative prompt refinement allows you to get more accurate, relevant, and useful responses from AI coding tools. It makes your work more efficient and helps you learn how to communicate with AI in a way that gets the best results every time.